Good morning all of you. Today I will continue arithmetic progression chapter. Yesterday I have given you introduction and just what is AP and all those things, and we are doing a first exercise. We have completed first and second problems. Okay, now we are going to do third problem and fourth problem. Okay, this is the image of your exercise, right? So third problem gives for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Two things he asked, and first term and common difference. So let me take question number 1. Okay, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. So this is the first progression. Our target is to find out first term and the common difference. Okay, so now first term, very simple, self understanding, a is equal to 3. Okay, 3, that is a, very simple. And next, common difference is equal to, we have a formula a2 minus a1. So let us find out a2 minus a1 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. Let us check a3 minus a2 also. a3 minus a2, common difference should be same. a3 is minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. Yes, therefore first term is equal to 3 and common difference is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is how you have to do. In this there is one fraction problem and there is one decimal problem. Both are of the same. Don't get confused, don't get afraid of fractions and decimals. Okay, still for your sake I will explain you the fractions problem. Okay, third question, third bit. So the progression goes like this: 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3 and 13 upon 3 and so on. Okay, so now first term I will not write in words. First term a is equal to 1 by 3. This is first answer. Okay, and the second answer is D. We want common difference. So common difference a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. a2 is 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Fractions. How to subtract the fractions if the denominators are same? Hi, somebody said hi. So denominators are same, you can directly subtract the numerators. So 4 upon 3. So if you want to check whether the other thing also same, let us say these two, 9 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3, 9 minus 5, 4 upon 3. Yes, so a first term is equal to 1 upon 3 and common difference is equal to 4 upon 3. So first you should be able to understand, or you should be able to find out A and D for arithmetic progression, for any progression. Okay, so then you can do the whole problems. Okay, first exercise, second exercise, third exercise, all related to this concept only. So I am not going to do decimal problem. I will do directly next question, fourth question. So the fourth question says that which of the following are AP? That means he has given some progressions. We have to decide whether they are arithmetic progressions or not. AP means arithmetic progression. If AP, if they form AP, find the common difference and write the 3 more terms. So 3 tasks. Task 1, you have to decide whether these things are AP or not. Second one, if AP, then find the common difference. Third one, after finding the common difference, write the next 3 terms. So this is the 3 tasks are there. So you will be go to second task if the first task is yes. So now let me take a fourth question, first bit only. So 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. And so on. Okay. So then A, you have to find out A is equal to 2 and common difference. That means common difference is same. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 and so on. If common difference is same, that means between these two, the difference is same, then that is AP. So I have written in the formula mode. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 16 minus 8 and so on. So 4 minus 2, 2, 4, 8 and so on. So not same. Therefore, it is not AP. If the common difference is same, then only you have to go to the, then only this progression is AP. So here common difference is not same, therefore it is not AP. You don't need to go to the second step common difference. Okay. So let me take one more question. In this some square root problems are also given. So whether it is square root or fractions or decimals, same method, same process. Okay. Let me do fourth bit, third question and fourth bit. Okay. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 and so on. So I am not writing A, I am not writing anything, I will directly find out between these two. Between these two is equal to how much? Minus 6 minus 10 is 10 is equal to plus 4. Between these two, okay, minus 2 minus 6 is plus 6 is equal to plus 4. Between these two, okay, so 2 minus 2 is plus 2, 4. So 4, 4, 4. As a common difference is same, therefore it is AP. It is AP. Therefore already common difference D is equal to how much? 4. And next 3 terms you have to find out. Next 3 terms. Next 3 terms, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. That means you have to add common difference. You have to add common difference to the terms to get the next. So this is the last term, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 and so on. Okay. So this is if you still want, I can do the square root problems. Let me do square root problems for you. Don't get afraid. Same procedure you have to apply. I will do fifth question, fourth, fifth bit. So 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma and 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Okay. So whether it is root 2 or roots or decimals or fractions, same procedure. So we have to say a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to a5 minus a4 and so on. So 3 plus root 2, this is, I am doing these two, 3 plus root 2 minus 3, 3 will get cancelled, root 2. Now a3, I will change the color, these two I am doing it, 3 plus root 2, sorry, 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So minus 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2. Yes, same. Now let us see these two also. Okay. Again I will change the color. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, we are subtracting both the things, so therefore everything will come, minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Cancel 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, root 2. So that means common difference is same. That implies common difference is same. Therefore it is AP. So common difference already got. D is equal to root 2. Then next 3 terms you have to find out. Next 3 terms are, you have to take the last term and add common difference to that. Add common difference. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. It is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Next, add d to this root 2. So 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, this is what is this one. Now very simple, you do rest of the questions by yourself. Let me go to another question. So there are 10 bits in this model. So please do all the 10 bits so that you will have a practice. Now let me go to second exercise, exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, already only one concept is there, based on an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula for nth term. This is the formula for nth term. So based on this, 5.2 is also designed. So let us understand. First, a table is given. In this table, a is given, d is given, n is given, an is given. A means first term, d means common difference, n means nth term means fourth, fifth, like that, nth term, an, nth term. A is n and an is nth term. So first, question number first. Okay, 7, 3 and 8, and this is question mark. So an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a is 7, n is 8 minus 1, d is 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7, 7 3 is 21. So 7 plus 21, 28. So 28 is the answer. Okay. So this is only this is main thing. Let me do one more question. One more question. Like third bit I will do it. Third bit. So a, d, n and an. So third bit, here question mark is there, dash is there. This is minus 3 and this is 18 and this is minus 5. Rest of the things are given, we have to find out a. So a, from this only you have to come. An is equal to minus 5. So from this you have to start the work. So then, yeah, somebody is asking doubt. Sunita, good morning. Sorry, and Sunita Rani. Please give me the doubt. You write it in the chat box. I will clear. Okay. So an formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 5. So now a we don't know, keep a as it is. Rest of the things we know. N is 18 minus 1, d is minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 5. A keep it as it is. Minus 3 into 18 minus 54. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Otherwise 17 into minus 3 51, that also okay. Okay, a is equal to minus 5. This is equal to how much? Minus 51. If it goes that side, it is equal to plus 51, which is equal to 51 minus 5, 46. A is equal to 46. This is how you have to do. A very, very important question. Based on this, almost the whole progression chapter is depending. So everybody should be aware of this. That's why in progression, more questions are given. Right? Sunita, I am waiting for your doubt. Sunita Rani. I am waiting for your doubt. So then, let me go to another. So this entire table is like that only. Let me go to another. This is another part of second exercise. So choose the correct answer. Okay. Let me make it big. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. That is the second question. Okay. Choose the correct choice and justify. First one, second question, first bit. 30th term, that is, it is like MCQ. 30th term is equal to 30th term is how much? Of 10, 7, 4, and it is a small problem. Okay. So choices are given. So now 30th, a 30th you have to find out. So a n you have to use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a is equal to 30, a 30, n is equal to 30. In the previously table is given, here table is not given. N 30th term, a is how much? 10. So here I will write a is equal to 10 and d is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 3. So a is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1 into minus 3. So 10, 29, 29 into 3 minus symbol 57, 87. So it is equal to minus 77. Okay, very simple question. Okay, when you do it, it is like it's looking like simple. When you start working, it is somehow. So now 11th term you do it. It is an MCQ questions. I am going to do MCQ, give MCQ test also for you. So in my description there are two links, real numbers MCQ test and polynomials MCQ test. Remaining chapters tests are also ready. So if you want to test your MCQ level, MCQ knowledge, please click the link and follow the link. Okay. So only 3 times you can attempt the test, and I have given a limited period also. Okay. So if I give you a deadline, limited period, then you will be very cautious and you will be doing that. I can give you 1 year time also, but 1 year means you will forget after 3-4 days. That's why once you register that, within 6 days you have to complete. So 3 attempts are given, are allowed. So first attempt you just do it. Okay, you have to do 30 questions in 30 minutes. That means fastness, accuracy will take place. So I am going to provide all the chapters MCQs in one bunch very soon. So meanwhile, do chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter. So now even progressions also I am going to do MCQ class. Okay. So once my syllabus is teaching syllabus is over, then I will start working on MCQs and the other subjective tests also, right? So now let me go to third question. Let me go to third question. In the following APs, find the missing term. It is given that it is AP. Therefore, no need to test whether it is AP or not. It is given that it is AP. So now 2 and 26 are given. 2 dash and 26. 3 terms. Let us say this is x. So common difference should be same. That means A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 is x minus 2 is equal to A3 is 26 minus x. So it is a simple equation. X plus x is equal to 26 plus 2 and 2x is equal to 28, x is equal to 14. The same question you may be getting like a problem also. If the problem is there, then you have to do like this. Okay. So all the questions, let me do fourth bit also. Fourth bit, because there are so many gaps, and third and fourth bit. Minus 4, in the place of box I am going to write dash, dash, dash. There are 4 boxes and the last number is 6. Okay. Now A is given and AN is given. So A is equal to minus 4, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term, A6 is equal to 6. This is the last term. Last term is which term you can easily count because less number of terms are there. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. So sixth term is 6. So sixth term means A plus 5D. If I am writing directly the formula, okay, 6 means 5 D's will be there. 6. A is already given, minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. Minus 4 send other side. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, and D is equal to 10 upon 5, 2. So now we got D. Then how much is this? This one I will write in order 1, 2, 3 and 4. So minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So this is how you have to do. Okay. So rest of the, here also last term is given and first term let it be x. So you can happily do this third question. If you do not know, I will be explaining you if you give me a comment. Okay. Now it is 8:25. I will stop at this third question. I will continue in my next class with this fourth. Right. Again, I am requesting you, please do MCQ test. Don't neglect. All the revision you cannot do before board examinations. You have to complete few revision parts. So if you keep everything for the final examinations, so many things will be there. For 6 subjects or 5 subjects will be there. 5 subjects revision in small time, it's very difficult. So today complete one chapter thoroughly. So you finish off the chapters thoroughly, then it will be helpful to you. Bye bye. See you in my next live class.